Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to Forever Skies. Alrighty, so got back to the ship. Now I have to worry about holding my breath, so there's a few things I want to do after I cleared out my inventory. That's what I got left. Let's do some researching, because one of them requires that. Of course, I need to do the virus sample thing here. Let's see. Don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. Yeah, failed that one. Let's see. There we go, and there we go. Let's get a couple more of these, because I know I'm going to need at least a couple more. Thankfully enough, I can skip the process by doing that. Oh, quit being a pain. Let's go with 3. 3 sounds good. Alright. Hop over here. Immunity booster. I need a couple of things right there that I don't have. Let's toss these in here. Now I am growing these. Because I want there we go. Those are growing again. I already learned it, didn't I? Yes. Oh, I want to learn that too. I learned the charged bolts. I love these things. Because they help out so much against those prairie mantis things. Oh, I need to do a synthetic hunt. Try to get as much as I can. Alright, that should do me quite well for crossbow bolts for a little while. We'll have to make more eventually. Let's toss that chitin over here. Oh, speaking of chitin, did I already learn it? Yes, I did. Chitin armor. So now I got armor, got a flashlight, made sure my alarm is set. Oh. I don't have a solid state battery. That's unusual. Normally I have a handful. Right. Wrong file. Other file, I got like 50 of them. Now I can get that thing charging. Yay. Fresh headlamp. Right, I got, large gardening pot. I want, oh, a couple of these.
Printing completed.
Which I need a few more things to make. Alright, so snag you, get you to make one, get you to make one.
Printing completed.
Alright, so let's go ahead and set up you guys right here. I do still have some fertilizer, don't I? Aha. Got two of them. Let's get you rolling on another batch. Let's get you filled up on that. You've... Nope. Already added the water. Yeah, I parked you guys too close to each other, I realized. Deal with that later. I need seed I tossed in there. I want you. Toss you in this one. Then I'll move you over a little bit. I got a smidge more room there. Wasn't there another seed I wanted to plant? Or am I misthinking? Oh, that's right. I want this one. I'll plant this. This one's going to get a bit out of control until it realizes there's a roof over its head. Oh, that's right. I do need that fertilizer. There we go. And you, I'm going to leave because I want a second seed from this thing. Alright, as for... Let's toss organics over here for now. What else? My ship keeps getting smacked by stuff. Let's toss... let's toss you right there. Seed in there as well. Let's toss you in there. And that. How's my growth up back here going? Alright, you're doing good. Let's head back to the undergrowth after a quick nap. That always sounds worse than it actually is. I turn around and half my ship's gone. What is hitting the side of my ship? You can't exit through the window, little guy. Oh, there's nothing down there or above there. Alright, let's head back into the depths. Ah, yes, the bruised flower expired, I know.
Warning, entering into toxic zone.
Oh, that's right. I need to... There we go. Haha, charged bolts. I saw you coming. Haha. 3 bolts to knock you down. So much better. And now I also got armor. And these bolts are also utilitarian, which is fantastic, because I can use them for things. And my guy's getting winded from running all the time. It's always interesting that they do that. Gonna definitely need you.
Warning, oxygen level is low.
Make sure I... Didn't I shoot that down already? Or maybe I was just thinking about doing it. Definitely need to make sure I keep a cluster of these around. Because these mossy needles can get handy when making certain things. I actually ended up running out of them and wishing I could grow the darn things. I never realized that I'm actually not that deep. I'm right at the edge of the depth, or the dust. Alright, I need a repair kit. Is this going to be enough? There we go. Let's hop off, get myself some breath. Alright, this is the artifact trader. Which, I'm not a fan of the whole sales remaining thing, where you only get 7 sales before it locks you out. That's a pain in the butt.
Warning,
Oh, hello.
entering into toxic zone.
Almost ran right into a wasp nest, which ain't healthy for you. Hey, hey! 2 things with 1 thing. Bolt.
Encrypted data ready for research.
What do we get? Half glass, bulk balloon, glass railings, viewing corner. Can't really argue too much with that. Though for some reason I'm never been a fan of that bulky balloon. Oh yeah, want to pick that up. Loot. Ooh, oh that's right. Never used the landmines before. What about you, little guy? Want to go play with some landmines? Not here, of course, but maybe yeah.
Warning, entering into toxic zone.
Shoot you down. I think I got all the major stuff. Well, no, there's still a few that I haven't gone yet. Ah, that's right.
Caution, a storm is coming.
Yep. What are you getting me? Oh, new paint job. Alright, everybody, I'm actually gonna have to call it here. I think I'm gonna do a bit of looting, and then I'll bring you guys back if I find anything interesting. So, I don't think I will, but we shall see. Bye! See you next time.